A great opportunity in Brampton. Either you are a first-time home buyer or an investor. You can buy a freehold townhouse only at $799, and you can buy 2 for 1. There is an opportunity where you can have a legal basement apartment, and that is first time in the history in Brampton by any builder. Right, Oriana?
Exactly.
So tell me a little bit more about this special deal. Buy one, get one free. What is that?
This is a really unique product that we're introducing in Brampton. So it's essentially 2 separate legal living spaces within one townhome.
So that gives you a great opportunity. You can live and you can rent it out as well. Tell me a little bit more about the location as well as some details about the building.
Sure, of course. So the location is in one of Brampton's nicest neighborhoods. It's located in northwest Brampton in the intersection of Bovaird and Mississauga Road, surrounded by lush living space. All the infrastructure is already in place when it comes to shopping, schools, highways. Everything is within close proximity.
That's right. If you're looking for the first access to these beautiful units at the price which I mentioned earlier, Team SaveMax is the contact for you, because we have a platinum access to this project. It will be launched for public and other realtors later on in the future. By the time you will be making $25,000 to $50,000 as an appreciation on this. Am I right, Ariana? I think that is going to be the price difference.
I think you've covered it.
Fantastic. So Ariana, what else you can tell me about the builder, as well as I saw you had beautiful upgrades there, because you know the quality is top notch.
Exactly. So Kvan is actually one of the largest home builders within Ontario. Their base is in Ottawa, and a few years ago they expanded out into the Greater Toronto area. So they already have a mid-rise condo building and detached project in Oakville, and now we are doing the Arbor West project in Brampton. And in terms of finishes, Kvan is actually known for having some of the highest finishes in the industry.
Absolutely. So to book your units, get in touch with Platinum Access, with Team SaveMax. Any of our realtors will be available to get you the unit of your choice. Thank you very much and see you soon.